The compressor is the heart of your heat pump. Without it, your system is dead. It's the part that pumps refrigerant, making heating and cooling possible. But when it fails, your heat pump turns into the expensive outdoor decoration. In this video, we'll break down how the compressor works, what causes it to fail, and how to tell if yours is on its last leg. Think of the compressor as the engine of your heat pump. Its job? To compress refrigerant and move it through the system to absorb and release heat. Without the compressor, your heat pump can't move heat, which means no heating or cooling. There are four main types of compressors that are used in heat pumps. First up is the reciprocating compressor. It's a piston-style compressor. Next we have the scroll compressor. It's the most commonly used compressor in heat pumps today. Next, we have the rotary compressor. It's used in smaller units. Next is the inverter compressor. It is a variable speed compressor. Most modern heat pumps use scroll or inverter compressors, but if you have an older unit, you might have a reciprocating compressor that sounds just like a lawnmower. So what happens when your compressor starts going bad? Here are the most common failures and what causes them. First up is a hard start or won't start. Next is overheating and tripping a breaker. Third is short cycling, which is just simply turning it off and on repeatedly. Fourth is loud noises coming from your outdoor unit. Usually sounds like a buzzing, a clicking, or a grinding noise. And last are refrigerant leaks and low pressure refrigerant. Now here is the question everyone has been wondering. Can you fix a bad compressor? Well, the answer depends on the problem. If it ends up being a bad compressor, then it may cost you a lot because they are the most expensive part of a heat pump. And I would recommend that if your unit is over 10 years old, to just go ahead and replace the entire heat pump. It may be the smartest move. Now you should have a very good understanding of your heat pump's compressor. If you had a bad compressor failure, let me know in the comments what happened and how did you fix it. Next time we're going to be talking about another very important part of your heat pump, one that goes out on people quite often, and that is the reversing valve. We're going to be talking about how it switches between heating and cooling, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned.